the CBSE assessment suspense.
Good morning and welcome. I'm Pooja Shali. You're watching news at 11 and we have decided today to go directly to people, to young students who have given their 12th examination but are unaware of about the criteria that will help them move to the next step. Because remember, the CBSE has cancelled 12th board examinations but are yet to finalize a criteria based on which the students can be evaluated. So a subsequent result that can be given, but there is a suspense looming large over the criteria assessment, and that is now a concern for students. However, interestingly, in a surprise move yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi decided to join a session with the CBSE students while a discussion was on by the Education Ministry. Take a look at this report first.
Exams have been cancelled. But what now? For nearly 10 lakh students who were set to appear for the CBSE Class 12 board exams, the news of its cancellation came as a huge relief. But now that euphoria is turning into nervousness. The suspense over results and the impending university admissions has become a new cause of concern. So how will the students be assessed? The Central Board of Secondary Education is considering two options. The first option is to assess the students on the basis of their performances in Class 10th, 11th final exams and Class 12 internal exams. The other is to give weightage to Class 10 board exam results and internal assessments in Class 12th.
12वीं का जो भी क्राइटेरिया डिसाइड होगा वो कंसल्टेंसी के साथ होगा, जस्ट एंड प्रॉपर होगा और किसी बच्चे का किसी तरह का नुकसान होने की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं होगी.
What is worrying the students is that the admissions in foreign universities and higher education institutions happen around August.
जैसे हम हर साल करते हैं मेरिट आधारित एडमिशन लेते हैं, वैसे ही इस बार भी मेरिट आधारित प्रवेश हम अपने छात्रों को देंगे. बोर्ड से जो भी उनको मार्क्स मिलेंगे उन्हीं मार्क्स को आधार बना करके दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय अपनी मेरिट का निर्धारण करने वाली है.
The CBSE maintains that the results will be out before college admission process begins.
लेकिन जैसे बाकी साल परीक्षाएं होती रही हैं और रिजल्ट उसके बाद आता रहा, ऑलमोस्ट वही प्रोसेस उतना ही समय लगने की उम्मीद है. हम मान के चलें कि उनके जो एडमिशंस हायर इंस्टीट्यूट फॉरेन कंट्रीज में होंगे उसके पहले रिजल्ट देने की हम स्थिति में रहेंगे.
The Supreme Court on Thursday directed the CBSE and ICSE to place on record well-defined objective criteria for assessment of students in 2 weeks. The bench clarified that it will not give more time for placement of objective criteria, as many students will be taking admissions in colleges in India and abroad. For Class 10 students, marks would be broadly provided on two broad premises: the performance of the student in previous exams and classes, and the performance of the school in previous board exams.
10वीं के बारे में क्राइटेरिया ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने देश को बता दिया है कि वहाँ कमेटी होगी जिसमें 8 मेंबर होंगे, स्कूल एंड सेम स्कूल दूसरे स्कूल होंगे, प्री बोर्ड, मिड टर्म, यूनिट टेस्ट, प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस के बेस पे करेंगे.
अच्छा, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग?
On Thursday, Prime Minister Modi held a surprise virtual interaction with students of Class 12th, where he discussed their future plans.
परसों जब आपने सुना, उसके पहले टेंशन थी और अब टेंशन गई, ऐसा है क्या?
बिल्कुल सर.
मुझे अच्छा लगा सर, क्योंकि मतलब अगर मैं परीक्षा देता तो प्रेशर बढ़ता जा रहा था, एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट रीच हो चुका था और हम देख रहे थे कि इतना सेफ भी नहीं है और आपने बिल्कुल समय से इतना बेहतरीन निर्णय ले लिया.
The big test now is for the CBSE, that will have to formulate the assessment criteria for Class 12 students that will be both fast and fair. Bureau Report, India Today.
So what are the big questions that's now bothering the group of young students who are all set to pursue higher education but do not know when that happens. So let's take a look. I've spoken to some of the students to gauge what exactly are they feeling. Question number one is, will results come before admission deadline for foreign universities? Remember, this is while a global pandemic, there are deadlines to be met, and that will be very crucial. How will Indian university cutoffs be decided? Because once that cutoff is decided, can they approach the colleges in rest of the country? Is it fair to include class 10th results for class 12th assessment? Because what you wrote and got as a result 2 years ago, can it be evaluated for 12th as well? Is that an option? Finally, will there be an option to take a re-examination? Because once the criteria is set up, if a student is dissatisfied or feels that it's not up to the mark, can they challenge it? And when will the re-examination take place? So these are some of the questions that are bothering. However, we are also today going to reach out to the students directly, try and understand their concerns. I will also be joined by the officials of the CBSE to try and get some answers as well. A very important discussion for which I want to first introduce you to our panel today morning. I'm joined by students from across the country. Thank you so much for giving us your time as well. I understand that you must be facing your share of anxiety as well. Let me first introduce you to Manan Vaswani. He is a student from Nagpur. I'm also joined by Nikita Bhatt. Nikita Bhatt is joining us from Mumbai. She is a student of R.N. Podar School. I'm also joined by Anadya Handa, student Jodamal Public School in Jammu and Kashmir. But importantly, as experience, as somebody who has, to her credit, years of not only teaching but at a level of principal of Springdale School in Delhi, a very prestigious school in the national capital, Dr. Amitamullah Vatal is joining us today morning. Importantly, I want to add here in just a short while, we will be joined by the CBSE senior most official as well to have all your questions answered. Let me first go across to Manan Vaswani in Nagpur. Manan, tell our viewers, what was the stream that you took in your school? And now, because there was so much confusion and in such a significant year of your life, what is your concern now? Are you happy that the exams were not held? And what is your question for the senior officials?
Yeah. So first of all, I am very thankful for you that you have given me this opportunity to spread my concerns. So I am from a commerce stream. I pursue from commerce stream from CBSE affiliated school. So I welcome the decision by the government of cancellation the board exams, as there were a lot of health issues and other security of students. So my main concern is if others, I don't know how the CBSE will decide the criteria of the marks, and if they are going to, how much time will they take? And I know it will take around a month. And if a student is not satisfied with that marks, how much time he will be given, he or she will be given for preparation of that, preparation for her exams. So if he is not satisfied, so if further it is postponed, so there will be a lot of stress with that student, and all the concept which he or she has learned in 12th will be washed out. So how much my main concern is how much time will they take to announce what criteria will be there, and how much time will they take to declare
That's the biggest concern, Manan. Thank you so much for putting forth your question. I want to first go across to Dr. Amita Vatal. She's the principal Springdale School. Ma'am, I'm sure in the past few days, you have encountered all these anxieties and questions of these young students. Do you think the deadline issue will be perhaps the most significant? And as a principal of such a prestigious school in Delhi, how are you reaching out to these students? How are you trying to tell them that it will be a deadline that's met? Have you received any assurance from the CBSE on that?
Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank Manan for his question. It's an important question which all children are asking. I would also like to say that it's been a very good decision because it reflects the empathy and compassion we need to feel for our children in these times and our parents. Having said that, the CBSE is well aware of the fact that there is a certain time limit that has been given to it by the Supreme Court to come up with what its criteria are. They've been given a window of about 2 weeks, which is starting from yesterday or day before yesterday. But I think in the next 2 weeks, it would be about the 17th or 18th by which time they would put it up. They're well aware of the fact that there are children who are going abroad and they need to have some decisions by mid-July or by the second week of July. They also are aware that the Delhi University has started saying that it's going to start its registration on admission policy by the 15th of July. So it's not as though anybody is working in silos. They're all working together for the good of the children. Everybody is aware of this anxiety. In fact, this should be the least of the anxiety of the child, that will it come in time? Will the circulars be ready? This is something that the CBSE is working on through crisis management, because as it is, they feel that there has been a delay in announcements. And the fact that now, with so many authorities pitching in, the Supreme Court, the universities, the schools, the CBSE itself, I'm sure that all worries and fears of the children will be set aside, and they will be able to move forward with whatever it is that they want to do with their lives.
All right, so
I'm
that means, yes.
100% sure about that perhaps by the end of this month, if not a little earlier, everything will come into place.
So at least end of the month of June, we can expect at least the criteria details to come forth, results as well, because by 15th July, the university will look at. Let's go across to Jammu now, because from Jammu, I'm joined by Anadya Handa. She's a student of Jodhamal Public School. That's also a very prestigious school in Jammu. Anadya, thank you so much for joining me on this show. What is your question?
Firstly, thank you for inviting me. My question is that even though CBSE exams have been cancelled, even though the government has taken a tremendous burden off our shoulders, there are so many uncertainties which remain. There are so many doubts which are still there. What is the result criteria? How do we get admissions into colleges? And frankly speaking, the government had months and months to discuss. By the end of June is one more month, even though they have kept our physical health intact. What about the mental health? What about students who are under so much mental pressure? We are living in uncertainty. We do not know what our future holds for us.
Okay, that I think is a very important point. I want to take that again to the Springdale School principal, Dr. Vatal, because ma'am, whenever it comes, there is no clarity how it will be decided. I understand these are unprecedented times, but all these years, there was a set pattern on how to evaluate the board examination. How do you think at your level that there is some assessment being done to ensure that this is a valid criteria and can be used ahead as well? So how will that criteria be decided if most examinations were not even held in some places?
You know, as rightly mentioned, this has been a very tough year, and I agree with this young lady when she talks about the fact that the mental health issues, I think it's an amazing generation, far more progressive than any other generation I've seen, because they have somehow developed great resilience. They've been able to, in many ways, come over it. They've been able to accept so much that has happened to them in terms of many of them have faced tragedies in their lives by losing loved ones, or even financial tragedies if parents have lost jobs. So it's been a very, very difficult year for them. And I do agree that, thank God, at least now, after all this, something has been laid to rest by this decision.
And ma'am, yes, what I want to also understand, ma'am, because a lot of questions have come from students on this, are principals being approached because you have the experience, or do you think this is what CBSE is working at their own level, because you perhaps and other principals like you can provide more suggestions on how that criteria can be evaluated? So what I want to know is, how is this really being charted out at the CBSE?
You know, CBSE is a highly democratic board.
Okay.
And it has been having a lot of conversations with teachers across the country, with principals across the country, with large boards like the KVs or the Navodaya Vidyalayas. So, you know, everybody is pitching in. Everybody is giving some suggestion or the other. And I think that even with class 10, when the decision was taken, it was a very scientific algorithm that was brought out. And I don't think, yes, there was a lot of work that teachers had to do to get all that clear. But at the end of the day, I think it was done in a very scientific and professional manner, which would bring out the best for children. So also, it's very difficult for me to tell you now that they're going to just take the 10th or they'll take the percentile of the 11th or they'll do the 12th. I mean, I don't want to jump the gun, so to speak. It's not correct because ultimately people are still working on it.
Okay.
But what I do want to say and allay the fears of young people, that whatever comes across, we have to first remember that this way of evaluation is something emergent. It is something where somebody or the other will have some problem with it.
Okay.
It can't be foolproof. But at the end of the day, the pullout that the CBSE has given us,
Yes, sir.
the window that it has given us, is the option. So that when things normalize, if people were expecting 95 or 98 in their results, and they got 90, they can exercise that option because a class 12 result can be used for the rest of their lives if they want to better it. So they can use that option. So I think that is wonderful that there are no hard and fast rules that the CBSE has created. It has given us that pull-out window by which students will be given an opportunity to better themselves if they are not happy with what comes around. But I think the CBSE is going to cater to all levels of children, whether they are children who are having difficulties in learning, whether they are average or whether they are above average. They will be catering to the entire milieu and will do the best that they can in the given situation. Because there is no foolproof method. There cannot be. Because when you look at examination systems, in any examination systems, evaluation patterns are set right at the beginning of the year.
And I totally understand, ma'am, the concern and the anxiety that some of the students must be facing. I have given my 12th board examination, and despite having a set pattern, there is just so much nervousness and tension at that point. How will the results be? Will I be able to get into my dream college? Will I be able to apply? And therefore, to get all those answers, we are now joined by the CBSE Secretary Anurag Tripathi. Thank you so much, Mr. Tripathi, because students are waiting, sir. They want to know answers from you. I already have 2 questions. First, I'll put those answers to you. Then we'll go to the third student. Sir Manan Vaswani from Nagpur and also Anadya Handa from Jammu are asking 2 questions. Please tell them briefly, sir. 1, when will you come out with the criteria assessment so they can apply elsewhere? And second, how is the CBSE planning to evaluate with this new criteria?
ओके, थैंक यू। सबसे पहले मैं ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर एंड पूरी मिनिस्ट्री को थैंक्स करता हूं जिन्होंने बच्चों के तनाव को खत्म किया और सीबीएसई इस निर्णय पर पहुंचा कि हम एग्जाम की जगह दूसरे क्राइटेरिया से रिजल्ट निकालेंगे, क्योंकि बच्चों के हित के लिए जरूरी था। और मुझे लगता है कि 2-3 महीने से परीक्षाएं टलने के कारण बच्चों के एक अलग तनाव हो रहा था, वो समाप्त हुआ। दूसरा, मैं उत्तर देना चाहूंगा बच्चों को आपके चैनल के माध्यम से कि क्राइटेरिया को तय करने में लगभग 2 हफ्ते का समय लगेगा। तो हम 2 वीक्स का समय ले करके उसके बाद क्राइटेरिया पब्लिक डोमेन में सर्कुलेट करेंगे, वेबसाइट पर अपलोड करेंगे। जो भी क्राइटेरिया होगा वो बहुत डिस्कशन के बाद, उसके डिलीवरेशन के बाद, प्रिंसिपल, टीचर, स्टूडेंट से डिस्कशन के बाद ही निकल करके आएगा और वो बच्चों के हित में, बच्चों के बेनिफिट में होगा। आपने एक और प्रश्न उससे अटैच किया कि क्या क्राइटेरिया होगा, किस तरीके से हम लोग करेंगे, तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि वो क्राइटेरिया अभी फाइनल नहीं हुआ है, अंडर कंसिडरेशन है, डिस्कस हम कर रहे हैं, ब्रीफ उसको लोग कर रहे हैं। वो क्राइटेरिया जैसे ही फाइनल होगा हम सर्कुलेट करेंगे, अपना सर्कुलर अपलोड करेंगे, तब तक वेट करना होगा बच्चों को। धैर्य रखें, पेशेंस रखें, 2 वीक्स का टाइम हमें दें, हम सर्कुलेट करेंगे।
Sir, the court did ask the education board with those 2 weeks, so that is the timeline. But sir, the student from Jammu, Anadya Handa, asked an important question कि सर इतने महीने तो थे, पता था कि confusion है और डिले हो सकता है, तो क्या CBSE को या बाकी एजुकेशन बोर्ड्स को भी पहले से एक क्राइटेरिया नहीं बना के रख लेना चाहिए था ताकि जो समय है वो और बच पाता? सर
बेटा, मैं आपके प्रश्न का उत्तर ये देना चाहूंगा कि अगर हम एक से ज्यादा ऑप्शंस पर मार्केट में डिस्कशन प्रारंभ करते तो उससे ज्यादा एंजाइटी और कंफ्यूजन होता। एक तरफ हम ये कहते कि हम बोर्ड एग्जाम लेंगे, दूसरी तरफ हम ये कहते अगर बोर्ड एग्जाम नहीं होगा तो इंटरनल असेसमेंट करेंगे, ये क्राइटेरिया अपलोड करिए। तीसरी तरफ हम ये स्टार्ट करते कि इन दोनों के अलावा क्या तीसरे ऑप्शन भी हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि डिस्कशन बहुत सारे हो रहे थे। तो जब तक कोई फाइनल डिसीजन नहीं हो जाए तब तक कंफ्यूजन या एंजाइटी बढ़ाने से बेटर है कि वेट करें, राइट टाइम जब होगा तब हम डिसाइड करेंगे। और आपको ये भी बताना चाहेंगे कि हम 0 से स्टार्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हमारे पास सजेशंस के रूप में अवेलेबल हैं और हम उस पर काम कर चुके हैं। लेकिन फिर भी क्योंकि अब डिसीजन परीक्षाओं को नहीं कराने को लेकर के है, तो वो निर्णय तक पहुंचने में एक बार ओपन डिस्कशन की जरूरत पड़ेगी, कंसल्टेंसी की जरूरत पड़ेगी, क्योंकि 1 या 2 दिन की हड़बड़ी में लिया गया निर्णय हो सकता है बच्चों के लिए नुकसानदायक हो।
So a rough draft is ready with the CBSE. So that is at least a good point that you've made. Nikita Bhatt is joining us. She's a student of RN Podar School from Mumbai. Nikita, over to you. What is your concern, your question? Tell us here on India Today.
My concern is that now that the board exams have been cancelled, will the entrance exams continue, or if they're not continuing, will that affect our college admissions even more?
Anurag sir, you've heard the question, sir.
या बेटा, आपका जो प्रश्न है बेसिकली वो यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज के एंट्रेंस या उनके मेरिट बेस्ड एडमिशन को लेकर के हम लोग मिनिस्ट्री, यूजीसी और उच्च शिक्षा के भी संपर्क में हैं। हम लोग यूनिवर्सिटी और कॉलेज से भी बात कर रहे हैं और वो भी जो है डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं कि क्या क्राइटेरिया लेकर के आएंगे जिससे किसी बच्चे को इस सिचुएशन में कोई एडवर्स इफेक्ट ना करे। वो निर्णय हायर यूनिवर्सिटी का, हायर एजुकेशन का, कॉलेजेस का होगा, जिसका उत्तर हम उन्हीं से लेकर के आपको दे पाएंगे। तो बेहतर होगा कि चूंकि हम सीबीएसई से रिलेटेड हैं, इसलिए हम सीबीएसई से रिलेटेड प्रश्नों को ही यहाँ आपको जवाब में देंगे।
Manan Vaswani, do you have another question for our CBSE secretary today?
So, sir, my question is that what will be the assessment of which, as you said, it is not yet decided. So, my first question was, how much time will it be taken to public the criteria? And if I want to give exam once again, if I'm not satisfied with my results, so sorry.
That's an important point. That, sir, if somebody feels they are dissatisfied with the criteria result, how can they challenge it again, and when do they have to sit for a re-exam?
जो क्राइटेरिया होगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2 वीक्स में हम सर्कुलेट कर देंगे और बच्चों के पास होगा, टीचर्स के पास होगा, फिर डाटा अपलोड कराएंगे, उसके बाद रिजल्ट प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करेंगे। जो बच्चे हमारे उस रिजल्ट से डिससेटिस्फाई होंगे, हालांकि मेरा ये मानना है कि बहुत ब्रॉडर प्लेटफॉर्म को हम लेकर के चलेंगे, जैसा कि 10th के एग्जामिनेशन का क्राइटेरिया बच्चों के सामने है, वो भी मैं डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि हो सकता है क्लास 12 के बहुत सारे बच्चों को नहीं मालूम हो। जो 10th का रिजल्ट निकलेगा जिसमें बोर्ड एग्जाम कैंसिल हो गए, उसका क्राइटेरिया मीडिया में और सोसाइटी में जारी कर दिया गया। उस क्राइटेरिया में यह है कि एवरी स्कूल में एक 8 मेंबर कमेटी बनाई गई है, जो स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल चेयर कर रहे हैं, सेम स्कूल एंड अदर स्कूल के मेंबर भी उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। वो लोग बच्चों के प्री बोर्ड, मिड टर्म, यूनिट टेस्ट, इवन प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस को भी और स्कूल के उसके प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस को भी लेकर के ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट को जुडिशियस तरीके से एक मार्क्स प्रपोज करेंगे। लेकिन बावजूद इसके अगर उस 10th के रिजल्ट में किसी बच्चे को दिक्कत होगी, तो जब कोविड की सिचुएशन नॉर्मल होगी तो बोर्ड अवश्य परीक्षा लेगा। ऐसे बच्चे 12th में भी आएंगे, इट मे बी। तो 12th का क्राइटेरिया आप वेट करें 2 वीक्स तक।
सर, लेकिन एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहूंगी, ये किस तरह से आप प्लान कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा अगर हमको आइडिया दे। इज दिस गोइंग टू बी ऑन अ क्वार्टरली बेसिस? इज दिस द होल ईयर असेसमेंट? How they performed through the year? Could the 10th results also be taken into consideration? ये कुछ सवाल हैं सर बच्चों के।
जी बिल्कुल, बच्चों के सवाल हैं और लगातार सवाल हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं अभी भी एक ही उत्तर दूंगा कि जब तक हम क्राइटेरिया को फाइनल नहीं कर लें तब तक उस पर हम उत्तर नहीं देना चाहते हैं। बच्चे 2 वीक्स के लिए वेट करें, क्योंकि अगर कोई भी चीज बोलेंगे और फाइनल सर्कुलर के पहले जो भी बोला जाएगा तो एक तरह के र्यूमर या एंजाइटी क्रिएट करेगा। तो इट विल बी बेटर कि बच्चे 2 सप्ताह का इंतजार करें।
Nikita Bhatt, Anadya Handa, Manan, any more questions? Are you at least somewhat having now some assurance from the CBSE? Is there any quick question that's coming? Manan, I would like to give an opportunity to Nikita or Anadya as well.
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. We had practicals conducted, but only some of the practicals were conducted, and then the lockdown had initiated. So are those practical marks going to be considered or not?
Sir, over to you.
Yeah. बेसिकली 99% बच्चों के प्रैक्टिकल कंडक्ट हो चुके हैं। इंटरनल एग्जाम्स के जो 20 मार्क्स होते थे 10th में वो कंडक्ट हो चुके हैं और उनको बिल्कुल कंसिडरेशन में रखा जाएगा, क्योंकि बच्चों की वर्ष भर की मेहनत और प्रैक्टिकल एक इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट है। बट कुछ ऐसे बच्चे, बहुत थोड़े से ऐसे जिनका प्रैक्टिकल भी नहीं हो पाया, उनके लिए भी हम क्राइटेरिया तय करेंगे कि जिनके ऐसे कुछ बच्चे जिनकी संख्या बहुत कम है, जिनका प्रैक्टिकल नहीं हो पाया, उनके लिए भी फार्मूला निकालेंगे और वो भी हम सर्कुलेट करेंगे। लेकिन जो प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्स हुए हैं उसको जरूर कंसीडर किया जाएगा।
Thank you so much, Anurag Tripathi, CBSE Secretary, and giving us, at least trying to give us some answers and help with the respite of students. Nikita, Manan and Adya, you are such young, bright children. At least let's have a smile on your faces. I hope you enjoy these weeks as well. It's been full of concern and tension. Thank you so much for coming us on our show. And Dr. Amita Vatal, as always, for your expertise. Thank you so much for joining us on India Today. We will continue to track this discussion. This is very important. This is about the future of Indian and the next generations as well. We'll continue to track that. Thank you so much for watching. Do tell us, what did you think about this discussion? Thank you.